telling the Pakistanis? Come to the point. Are you willing to take responsibility for the government that you set up in Kabul? Within 1 month, Professor Paswan, 1 month has not passed. 2 or 3 weeks since the government has formed, 2 of their top leaders have gone missing. They could have died. One is being held hostage. His name is, I think, Abdul Ghani Baradar. The other one is called Akhund Zada. Nobody knows where Akhund Zada is. Maybe you can ask, would you like to begin by telling Professor Paswan, where are these 2 leaders? Isn't it a serious matter, Professor Paswan? They could have killed them. The ISI could have killed them. They've held them hostage. The deputy prime minister of the country is nowhere to be seen. He came out in a hostage situation, then he had to be put back by the ISI. Professor Paswan, is that not the responsibility of the Pakistan government to tell us whether they have killed or have held hostage the 2 leaders of the Taliban who don't belong to the faction they are backing?
Well,
Arnab, I think the panelist on your show and I think the question is for me. The panelist on your show must thank you for giving them a reality check. वो यथार्थ का सामना नहीं करना चाहते हैं. They don't want to face the reality. But let me put this with a historical context. 2009 Sri Lankan team, 2002 New Zealand team. The world still remembers hand grenade, RPGs, guns. Pakistanis don't need a bat and a ball, but they need these weapons. हथियार चाहिए आपको. You don't have faith in any sports. And let me also remind you, my friends from Pakistan today, that today in India there is a strong government. We know how to take care of our interest. We know how to protect our citizens. Security is our topmost priority. Do we need to remind you what has happened? Balakot, Uri, do we need to remind you the aftermath of it? It is not the Congress government. And still, unfortunately, the Congress former foreign ministers, they go to the soil of Pakistan and they raise question on the democratically elected government in India. That is so embarrassing. That is so shameful. Pakistan today, like Arnabji, you said, they stand exposed in front of the entire world. The Talibanization of Pakistan is a reality now. Yeah. We have seen it. The Prime Minister of Pakistan openly endorsing and supporting the government made by the Taliban. What does it indicate? It clearly shows that you have gone far back 500 years. So no cricketing team, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, England, ever, please don't even think about that. And my friends, we have seen it today. Please do some introspection. आप लोगों को आत्मंथन करने की आवश्यकता है. Like Gaurav also said, you come to Republic Media Network, you come to this show only for popularity. You don't have facts, you don't have logic, you don't have any argument, sir.
Can I ask you a simple question? Can you tell me your government stance on Taliban, official stance? Not what your media narrative, which you try to build the narrative on the media. No, listen. This is the important point. Not what BJP spokesperson speaks on TV. No. I would like to know the official stance of Indian government on Taliban. According to the resolution which 2593, the number of the Security Council resolution, which is passed under the presidency of India. And you are the member of that 15 members who is delisting Taliban terrorists, who are UN designated terrorists. You are going to delist them. So I would like to know your official stance on Taliban regime. Go ahead.
Our official stand was and is the evacuation of our people from Afghanistan. And that, sir, we have done, and we don't need any reminder from you. Just go and look at the data. Our diplomatic community, Indian nationals, and even the minority community in Afghanistan. Even the minority community in Afghanistan. You just go and see the situation of Sikhs in Pakistan, situation of Hindus in Pakistan. India is now
I-
competent
No, no, no,
and
no, no,
confident
no.
to take care of our own people,
No,
sir.
no, 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 no.
We don't
Listen,
need
listen,
lessons.
listen,
No, we don't
listen.
need
I'm not
lessons
getting
from
your answer.
PTI.
No, 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 no.
No.
Give me
Our
your
official stand is
official
clear
stance.
to
Your-
have
no,
the
no,
safe
I-
evacuation
I-
of our
question.
people, and we have done that.
Abdul Samad, will you talk to me? Abdul Samad, will you talk to me?
Sure.
Will you?